When comparing Xero versus SlickPie for automated invoicing, it's crucial to know which one will make your business operations smoother. Both offer great features, but which one really stands out in the end? Keep watching because we'll break down the strengths and weaknesses of both to help you make the best choice. Plus, I'll reveal a better alternative for automated invoicing at the end, so make sure you stay tuned. Let's start with Xero. It's one of the most popular accounting tools out there, and for good reason. Xero offers a solid automated invoicing system that allows you to create and send invoices directly from the platform. What's great about Xero is its extensive integration with third-party apps and tools, allowing it to connect seamlessly with your existing workflow. Whether you're tracking payments, customizing invoices, or automating recurring billing, Xero's automation features are pretty robust. Next thing, Xero is also known for its scalability. As your business grows, Xero can grow with you. You're not limited by the number of invoices or clients you can manage. It also offers real-time updates and financial reporting, which is ideal for businesses that want to stay on top of their financial health without manual tracking. However, while it's powerful, it's also a bit complex, especially for beginners. The interface isn't as intuitive as it could be, and the learning curve can be steep. Plus, it's on the pricier side for smaller businesses. Now, let's talk about SlickPie. SlickPie is an emerging player in the automated invoicing world, and it's a lot more affordable than Xero. Its main strength lies in its simplicity. If you're just starting out and need something easy to use, SlickPie is a great choice. It allows you to create and send invoices, and its automated features help reduce manual data entry, making it quicker to manage invoicing for your business. What I really like about SlickPie is its user-friendly interface. It's much easier to navigate than Xero, especially if you're a non-accountant. However, the downside to SlickPie is that it's a bit limited when it comes to advanced features. For instance, it doesn't have as many integrations with third-party apps as Xero does, which might be a deal breaker for businesses that rely on multiple tools. Additionally, SlickPie doesn't offer some of the more advanced financial tracking features that Xero does, such as multi-currency support or comprehensive tax management. Next, we have to talk about pricing. Xero can get pricey, especially if you're a small business on a budget. The most affordable plan doesn't offer all the advanced invoicing features, so you'll likely need to upgrade as your business grows. On the other hand, SlickPie is free for basic use, which is a huge plus for startups or solo entrepreneurs. There are paid plans, but they are far cheaper than Xero's. The problem, though, is that the free version limits your features, and once you're ready to scale, you might find yourself outgrowing it fast. The fourth thing to consider is customer support. Xero generally has good support with live chat, email, and phone options. But given its complexity, you might need support more often. SlickPie, however, offers support, but it's more limited. There's no phone support, and live chat can sometimes take longer than expected. Finally, let's talk about the flexibility in automating your invoicing. Xero gives you full control over recurring invoices and payment reminders, making it great for businesses that have regular billing cycles. SlickPie also offers automation, but lacks the same level of customization, which may frustrate some users who want to tweak their workflows. So, both Xero and SlickPie have their strengths, but they also have limitations depending on your business needs. Xero is better for larger businesses that need scalability and complex features, while SlickPie is great for small businesses or startups that want a simple, budget-friendly solution. But here's the thing. After trying all of them myself, I found a better alternative for automated invoicing, and that's why I recommend you check out the first link in the description. This alternative offers the best of both worlds, a user-friendly interface, scalable features, and an incredible free trial exclusive to our viewers. Don't miss out on this chance to try it for yourself with no risk. Click that link in the description to get started now.